On your computer, open Google Calendar. In the top left corner, click Create. Add a title to the event and any event details. Accounts with more than one calendar verify the correct calendar is selected. In the description, add information and links to the website, preferably to a page for the event. Add the location. With a verified Google My Business account, the location will appear as you type it in. Verify time zone and the correct times for your event. And now you can add in contacts. Generally, I save this to do by email, and we'll see that shortly. Click Save. Tap on the event and locate the email icon in the pop-up window. Type in email addresses separated by commas, edit the subject line as needed, and add a message. Go ahead and click Send, so everyone in the email list receives notification of your event. Want to delete an event? Just click the recycle bin icon.